Can you see yourself in the 2012 Audi Q5? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 200,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle delivers the style, comfort, and efficiency you need to meet the needs of today's lifestyle. Confidence comes standard when you're behind the wheel, prepared for the journey ahead. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, fog lamps, electronic stability control, Bluetooth, seat memory, intermittent wipers, universal garage door opener, trip computer. This vehicle offers the ride you want and the value you need. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.